Welcome to Now in Android, a practical guide to Android design principles. In this series, we'll learn Android development best practices using Now in Android. In this video, we will learn about the components of the UI layer in Now in Android. In this app, the UI elements and UI state are separated. UI elements are the components of the activity or fragment screen that display data. The UI state is the data that the UI elements display. State holders generate the UI state. This separation method is based on Android's official architecture guide. Let's look at a specific example. Here we'll be looking at the search screen. The UI element is the search route composable function. The UI state is search role to UI state, which is held by the search view model. This composable function receives search role to UI state from the search view model and displays the screen. When events such as taps occur, the composable function calls the view model to update the state of search role to UI state. When the state is updated, the composable function is redrawn, displaying the changed data. Now, let's take a look at the specific code. Here's the English translation of the Japanese text. First is the search route composable function. This function takes the search view model as an argument. Next, it obtains the search result UI state from the view model. This method of retrieval ensures that the composable function is redrawn whenever there are changes to the UI state. This UI state is then passed to the search screen composable function. The search screen composable function receives the UI state from the search route function. It uses a when statement to switch the display according to the UI state. When the search is successful, it passes the topics to the search result body composable function to display a list of the search results. The state holder, the search view model, uses the repository and use cases to generate the search result UI state. Because it inherits from view model, it can automatically handle configuration changes. The search result UI state is declared as a state flow, and when its value changes, the composable function detects the change. The following video explains in detail the mechanism by which these value changes are detected. We will also look at the code for the UI state that the view model holds. The search result UI state is declared in the Shield interface as a UI state. This UI state represents the states of loading search keyword is empty, search preparation is incomplete, and search success. The search view model sets the appropriate UI state based on the calculation results. Here are the references. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Stay tuned for more content on Android architecture and development best practices with Now in Android. Now then, happy coding!